In this video, I want to show you how to add one of the blog entries, Marcos's Musings. They show up on this page, and they also show up on the Who We Are page on the side. So it's important to get the date right. The minutes area of reading is automatically generated by Wix. So to do this, let me go back. Oh, just kidding, I'm on the live side. So we're looking at the real thing here. There we go. So at the dashboard, when you come here and you get here, when you log in, you can go up to the upper left-hand corner and you select your site. And then over here on the side, there's a section for blog posts, but also here in the dashboard, it'll show your latest blog post, and you can click here and say create new. When you do that, you need a title and you need some content in order to have a blog post. So I'm going to take the latest one from January 30th and copy it. Wrong tab. And paste it here into the content area. Sometimes there's a little formatting that needs to happen, like right here, to make it look nice. And then you need to come up with a title because they don't come with a title. And after reading here, I'm going to give it the title, She Got Up and Began to Serve Him. Then we go over to categories. We need to select blog, or it won't show up on that page we looked at the beginning. Anything that's selected blog will show up in the blog area. Anything that's selected newsletter will show up on the newsletter area. We're going to go to settings. We are not going to do an image for these. The blog posts don't have images. Only the newsletters have images. So we're going to ignore this part, display cover image. And then we're going to give a publish date. What was that date? January 30th. Wrong tab. And then we're going to change it from Keem or whoever is logged in to Marcos. Then hit publish. So now, if we go back, it shows up and it already has like a little 1-minute read. Somebody can click the text and read the entry.